You know, we at Littman Krooks here have been practicing elder law for 20 years, and we've helped a number of families over the years, just like you. Let me give you a couple of examples on how we've helped people and made a difference in their lives. I can recall a case several years ago where somebody was in a nursing home and actually found somebody that really touched his heart, and he wanted to marry this person. His wife had passed away, and he found true love in the nursing home, but he and his family were concerned that if he married this person, what would happen to his assets? Would they have to be used to pay for the cost of his new love's care? Would they go to her children? Or would they go to the people he wanted them to go to, his family and his grandchildren? So that was an interesting case, and at the end of the day, we were able to accomplish both objectives, which is allow him to get married to the person that he wanted to marry, so that was sort of a nice story, and also to make sure that his hard-earned assets did not go to people who were not the natural objects of his bounty. A lot of times elder law is about the client, but sometimes it's also about the client and their family. So we like to consider ourselves the family attorney, and I can remember a case where a woman came in to meet with us. Her husband was getting on in years, and he was becoming forgetful, and she was concerned that she might have to place him into a nursing home. And on top of the emotional stress that was placing on her, the nursing home had informed her that it was going to cost several $1,000s a month to take care of her husband. In fact, it was about $12,000 to $14,000 a month. And she's a middle-class woman who's quite younger than her husband, and her life expectancy is much greater than his. So she was worried that if she spent all of her money on the cost of his care, that after he passed on, she would become a charge of the state herself because she'd have no money left. So we were able to structure her affairs so that she was able to provide for her husband, and then after he was gone, she had enough money to take care of herself and also leave a little something for her children. So she was very happy we were able to help her with that.